रोडीज अभी चल रहा है, इंटरनल वोट आउट डाला है. क्यों डाला है? Because they want to save this certain person. Because otherwise all the votes are going to go against this one. Now people are going because, oh, you know what? After this I will go to Big Splitsvilla, then Big Boss, and then Big Boss, then I will get so much following, fame. Then I will do this, I will do this. So they have like this roadmap designed for themselves.
But now people have kind of understood what works, what doesn't work, what gets them number or what gets them liking or certain kind of following.
So, you know, Shruti, so when you started in the reality show space, that time reality shows were very different. You know, the way they were made, and to be very honest, drama kam hota tha unme. They were real. But today, you know, reality shows have drastically changed.
No. They were not real.
Not real, but they at least seemed real.
But actually it's in,
They were manipulated. But I thought everything is real. I'll be honest to myself. I was full usme. I think that's what people liked, so it worked for me. But mentally, not so much.
But today, what do you think about, you know, because you've been a part of Splitsvilla, you've been a part of Roadies, and even today the shows are made, they are pretty much consumed.
Yeah, so when I watch it, I know what's happening because I understand how things work. But I think I support reality shows. I watch them. They're full entertainment. I love them. Even though I know कि experience कैसा होता है behind the scenes. But I feel like similar concept ही है मेरे season में. मैं 6 साल पहले आई थी, इतनी पुरानी नहीं हूँ. तो अभी वैसे ही चल रहा है. I understand. जैसे मुझे पता है कि अगर इन्होंने for example रोडीज अभी चल रहा है, internal vote out डाला है. क्यों डाला है? Because they want to save this certain person. Because otherwise all the votes are going to go against this one.
Okay.
So I understand what's happening. That's why I think I find it more interesting. And when I watch it with my sister, she and I are just like, no, this happened, this is wrong. I said, relax, bro, relax. You will find out. So I have a different perspective with which I watch.
But I also feel like, sorry, I'm just adding to this one, but I also feel like reality show earlier were much more real. Why I think is because nobody knew the format. As in the contestant didn't know the format. कि क्या चलता है क्या नहीं चलता है, you know, so they were being honest, as she said. See, I'm this is my personality, that's how I'm going to be. If I need to fight with you, I will fight with you. But now people have kind of understood what works, what doesn't work, what gets them number or what gets them liking or certain kind of following for that matter. So they manipulate their personality accordingly, and at times, you know, try to take that moment or extra footage to be
Also
noticed.
the fact that when I went to these shows, social media was not so big. It actually became big after my season. So I didn't go with the thought of कि oh मैं famous हो जाऊंगी, oh this will give me work. No, I just went because I got a call कि audition करना था. चलो, I'm not doing anything, I'll audition. That's how Roadies happened, and then later. But then now people are going because, oh, you know what? After this I will go to Big Splitsvilla, then Big Boss, and then Big Boss, then I will get so much following, fame. Then I will do this, I will do this. So they have like this roadmap designed for themselves, and when it doesn't work out for them, because now they'll do everything and anything for just a little, like 2 seconds extra on screen. But I don't think that people appreciate it also. They understand कि ये कैमरा के लिए हो रहा है, क्यों चला
हाँ, that is what, like today, you know, when I am watching a Roadies, I know कि अरे इनको लगता है बोला है brief मिलेगी लड़ाई करो.
नहीं, nobody tells you what to do.
अच्छा.
Nobody tells you what to do.
But
They
then,
just,
as he said, that they know the
हाँ,
format, so
probably
they
they've
do
seen
it.
it so much now that they know it, that if we do this, it will come.
Correct.
Continue.
मैं उसको आप you and when you're living together by default, I think some way or the other you understand each other's personality. Like I know what will tick her. So I know if I have to get footage, I can do things to make her tick, and then maybe she will give a reaction which I know for the fact कि लगेगा ही लगेगा.
Probably.
You know, so that way.
also the fact that when I went on these shows, nobody was famous. So we were all trying to just, you know, play the game for the game.
Yeah.
But now everybody and we used to respect the gang leaders because they're there for a reason. But now when people go, when I watch it, it really triggers me. Like, why are you being so rude to them? Like, they're there to guide you, they're there to help you. I know they have their own game plan or whatever, but just out of basic courtesy, you should not. But they know if I do it, ये promo कटेगा, है ना? ये ऐसे होएगा. And everybody is a someone, because now honestly they're all famous. Whoever's gone, they were already famous before going. So if someone tries to show them their place, they'll be like, तू कौन है, मैं ये हूँ. तो सबके ego clashes भी इतने हैं, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you're not playing, you're not enjoying. Like I said एक उसमें पहले अभी, then when I went, my gang leader told me, forget the game, enjoy the journey. And I have that stayed with me. I remember where I stayed, I remember the sceneries, it was so beautiful. But I don't think they're enjoying where they're staying. Like,
Correct.
it's so
Yeah.
beautiful. The journeys are so beautiful. The friendships you make, the tasks that you do, you won't get to do it.
Otherwise,
yeah,
in real life,
it's
yeah,
an experience.
definitely.
But you're only thinking of, oh, if I'm going to be seen, oh, if this will work out for me, oh, if I get Rodi's a big boss after this. You're missing out on the fun part.
Sad. But I think world has become like that. It's not just about reality show.
Uh,
Everybody's
exactly.
become
Yeah.
like that. It's all about
Today, I feel
transactional.
negativity sells more.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean,
Yes.
it's all about, yeah, I mean, everything's become numbers, yeah. And I mean, what's going to give you numbers? A clickbait is all about some fight, something or the other.